have you reaching for your chest, hoping that I'll go away with piece of banging that stop because you know I'm here to stay. I guess I'm something like a rock to you because I'm waiting for the fight I say because I got it. I'm just exercising my right to freedom of speech, and so I use it to the max. I'm never gonna give in. I'm never gonna freaking back down. Hand me the ground right now. You can't match me. You see, I'm on another secret level you could never achieve. So please don't try. You can get hurt. Just stop right now. You see, I'ma leave it right there. Come on, try and get back at me. Oh!
Is this Omarion? Where's your chick? Come on. Is that how you really gonna bring it to my face? I'll spray this, lay you on your back. Well, don't come to me like it's a heart attack. I've got the strongest heart and the strongest will. These rhymes come naturally, they vomit, they spill. I'm the greatest ever be. Yes, I'm white, but I'm #1. Tearing you apart, this is gonna be fun. Don't step to me like you even got a chance. Boy, go back home, do a little dance, walk away, cause I'm the best you'll ever see. Don't even try to mess with me, I throw it down for VOLT. Don't mess around, dog, you'll lose your head. Mess around with me, you'll wind up dead.
Let's hold up. Yeah, hold up. I can go ahead and ask, but I already know the answer. You are just a man, son. You need to cool it down, son. I'ma come up to you, put you on your back. You see, man, you talking back at me. Boy, I'm a counselor. Listen to me. I am came here to teach, and that is what they pay me for. You are just a little whore. Oh, watch my mouth working. I go, I'm losing my flow, but I pick it back up, and then I go. I spit it so hard. Think they call me Kobe, you know. Hey, I can make the game face, but I don't need it, you see, because it's coming out the dome. And they call me Mr. Freeze because my flows are so cold that they never gonna quit. I am just the #1. Yeah, they call me the... I watch my language because I slipped it up before. You see, there ain't nobody on this floor that is cold as me. So you can catch me, I'm ballin'. You can catch me, I'm ballin'. Man, my flow is so seamless, it's like opposite of Spalding. Got a head full of flow, and yours is just balding. You better get some rap road game before it's gone, man.